Welcome to brand new house tour. Hussein here. This is a semi-furnished, multi-level Tuscany-style row house villa located at Hennu Main Road, Bangalore. Italian marble flooring, east-facing direction, and it's a 5,500 square feet house. Here is the dining area attached to the high-end modular kitchen, and in this kitchen, branded appliances, beautiful interior designed kitchen. So this is the balcony. So on ground level, kitchen, dining, living and common bathroom, and here is the bedroom one with designer wardrobe, TV unit and attached bathroom with modern fittings. And now the basement has private lounge area, a garden, staircase accessible to ground level and maid's kitchen. First floor, bedroom 2 with attached balcony and attached bathroom, and it has high-end fitting. So here is the home office area. This is the designer TV unit in bedroom 3, and this room also a wooden flooring with attached balcony. And attached bathroom, and with bathtub and branded fittings. So here is the beautiful dressing table along with the walk-in closet with white and black color glossy finish wardrobe. On the second floor, this is the study room with attached balcony, and this is balcony cum terrace area. And this is the master bedroom with luxury design TV unit and attached balcony. This room also wooden flooring with walk-in closet and attached bathroom. Thank you for watching the new house tour. For more details, check out the description area, and please like, share and subscribe to Property Vlog channel for more videos.